Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Claude AI error. So open the browser where you are using Claude, then select three-dot icon, scroll below, select settings. Now under settings, select privacy and security, then select delete browsing data. And go ahead and delete your browsing history. Once you do that, come back onto this page and select site settings. Now in here, scroll below, select third-party cookies, and what you have to do is select see all site data and permissions. Here simply type in Claude at the search bar and delete all the data you may have of Claude. Once you delete all the data, come back onto the same page, scroll below, select extensions. If you see any unnecessary extensions that there is, go ahead and remove it. Once done, you're going to have to restart your device, launch a Chrome, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.